Being in pain is one of the most common complaints that people have. Pain syndromes really make life difficult. And it interferes really with our whole life process. It interferes with our ability to engage with family, to enjoy hobbies, to be productive at work, in all phases of our life activities. It's a distraction. It's this nagging thing that takes the forefront of our awareness and always drags our energy away from what we really actually want to do. Now, pain is just a signal. It's a signal that something's wrong in the body. One of the most common types of pain is joint pain, and that's the one that I'm going to focus on the most. I'm going to teach a technique that's a natural technique to relieve pain. It's very effective. I've used it myself several times effectively. And as a bodywork practitioner, I've taught it to many of my clients. So I want to share that with you because it doesn't rely on the type of treatments that are used to create quick relief, like a quick fix. Those type of treatments usually have side effects. They're muting the actual signal that the body's trying to give that something's wrong. So the pain is not really the problem. It's what's causing the pain that's the problem. And that's what we're going to deal with. With this kind of technique, we don't have side effects. It adjusts the natural imbalance with a natural method. We're not using something that's going to lock the pain in. There are certain approaches that will do that. And as I mentioned before, it's not masking the problem. It's recognizing that the pain is trying to tell us something, and we need to respond to that. Now, these kind of joint pain can be caused by an accident, poor posture, could be a chemical imbalance in the body that's pulling the body into bad posture. And we can relieve that local part of the pain so that we can remove that distraction to see clearly what was causing that pain. So we can say that sometimes it is the core of the problem, but other times this kind of joint pain we're having is more like a localized expression of something that's happening deeper, like emotional pain, life pain. And so what happens is when we can give relief to the pain in that situation, it's possible then to get a window into what's happening on a deeper level. So it's either the pain in and of itself will be relieved, or it will give us the relief or release of the pain so that we can see deeper and find out what was underneath. If you'd like to follow up on this idea and learn the technique directly, then follow the link below, and we'll see you there.